This cat lived near a small railway station and slept under the platform. It was calm and silent and never feared trains or people. Every evening it sat near the edge and watched the rails. One night the cat suddenly ran along the tracks and meowed loudly. The station worker gooted it first. The cat grabbed his pant leg with its claws and did not let go. Annoyed, the man followed the cat. Between the rails lay a child. The child had fallen and could not stand up. The train was minutes away. The worker lifted the child and ran to the platform. Seconds later, the train rushed past the empty tracks. The cat returned to its usual place. It lay down and stayed still. The next morning, a small sign appeared at the station. It said the cat had saved a life.